Before we read today's story, let's look at the overview. The story we're going to read, My School Trip, is a realistic fiction. Realistic fiction stories are made up, but could happen in real life. Look for characters who are like real people, places that seem real, events that could really happen. Okay? Today's story is going to be realistic fiction. Let's look at some of the power words that you will see in this story. Trip, trip, partner, partner, wished, wished, last, last. Now, let's begin our story. The story's title is called My School Trip. We took a school trip. Look at our power word, trip. First, we took a bus. Nan was my partner. Look at our other power word, partner. Nan was new at school. Was Nan mad? Was Nan sad? The trip was to Butterfly Garden. Pam had a butterfly. Dan had a butterfly. I wished I had a butterfly. There's another power word, wished. I had a butterfly. Nan was sad. Which character is Nan? Nan was sad. Nan had a butterfly. Nan was happy at last. Look at our last power word. Nan is my new friend. My school trip was great.